Life engineering uses machine intelligence to improve human well-being. The starting point is technological development. At the core is quality of life. The objective of life engineering is to achieve a good life with machine intelligence. The following video focuses on socio-technical quantum evolution. Human intelligence has brought countless societal and technological advancements over the last millennia. Now, artificial intelligence is catalyzing a quantum leap in this socio-technical evolution. How will it change our lives? And what is intelligence? Where will artificial intelligence lead us to? If one of our ancestors discovered an especially good banana tree grove thousands of years ago, they remembered it and repeatedly drew upon this knowledge. Their family could learn the way if they accompanied them on their route. With the advent of language, an ancestor could share his knowledge with others, without them having to personally have made the trip. Thousands of years later, humans could describe the path to the banana grove through drawing and writing. The printing press made such knowledge accessible to many people. Later, digitalization made such knowledge even more accessible in navigation apps. The next step could be AI taking care of human nutrition. It would then understand what humans need, what suits their palate, and ensure a balanced diet. Living beings inherit a portion of their intelligence in their genes. Eating to satisfy hunger, fleeing from predators, avoiding exertion, even the pursuit of power are all examples of inherited intelligence, otherwise known as implicit intelligence. Humans further develop their intelligence through experiences and transference. Thus, unwritten laws ensure hygiene and regulate coexistence within families, tribes, and states. When knowledge and the use of knowledge are transferred through maps or navigation tools, e.g., we speak of explicit intelligence, this utilizes language, writing, electronic storage media, processors, networks, as well as sensors and actuators, thus expanding human intelligence and making it independent of the individual. In a nutshell, we could say that evolution produces as many specimens as possible through mutation and recombination and selects the ones that are the fittest. In other words, those that are best able to cope with reality. The socio-technical evolution is constantly accumulating and further advancing human knowledge. It is what has made today's population of almost 9 billion people possible in the first place. In this sense, intelligence, that is, knowledge and the ability to apply it, significantly contributes to the fitness of humans. Learning complements mutation and recombination as an evolutionary mechanism. Evolution selects the people who make the best use of this intelligence. We refer to the process of further developing intelligence as learning. Machine intelligence already assists in fulfilling basic human needs such as food, shelter, and security. It relieves humans of certain tasks, such as navigating from one place to another or managing a global supply chain. It will offer architects entirely new possibilities. For example, modeling and creating innovative housing complexes, or enable leisure activities in the metaverse. Within just a few short years, machine intelligence will trigger a socio-technical quantum leap, fundamentally altering everything that has defined human existence for millennia. It has already started. It is to be expected that machine intelligence will bring forth more and more technological innovations without human involvement. Examples include so-called generative artificial intelligences such as ChatGPT, which can create new text, images, and music, albeit at present by combining and utilizing human knowledge. Increasingly, however, they are also able to derive patterns themselves from large quantities of observations, which they use as guidelines for credit scoring in banks, for example. In 20 to 50 years, machine intelligence itself will develop into a superintelligence. At some point, automation will eventually enable a life without work, but it will also deprive many of their purpose in life. Humans are transferring many of their skills over to artificial intelligence. thus delegating much of their authority and power to AI, and thereby to its masters, whether they be political elites or technology giants. Ultimately, this small elite group will determine the future of socio-technical evolution, hopefully for the benefit of humanity. Life engineering intends to provide the guidelines for this. The socio-technical evolution, which is being spearheaded by artificial intelligence, is unstoppable. Never in the history of humanity has development ever been permanently halted by regulation. Whether it be nuclear research, genetic engineering, or digitalization. It is not the regulators, but the masterminds of superior technical solutions who determine the direction. Questions: who controls data pools, the algorithms, and the market? Who determines the future course of human development? Powerful parties, monopolistic corporations, or ultimately the artificial superintelligence itself? What will artificial intelligence bring? Freedom and leisure, or constant surveillance and an existential void?